So guys, welcome to Think and Code, and in this video we are going to see increment decrement operator. Uh, so we'll see how it works. And to write code, I am going to use Edit Plus. You guys can use Notepad plus also. So I have created one folder here in my desktop where I am going to place all those code. So I'll open Notepad Edit Plus, and I'll navigate to that folder which one I created, and currently we can see there are no files under it. This is an empty folder currently. Okay, so we'll start one new file. To create a new file, we'll just click this one, and we can see several options here. One normal text and Java. These two actually require. So in today's one, we'll just go with the normal text. Later I'll show with Java. Right. So if you click it, and it will open one blank space for you where you can write the code. So in Java, to start with, we have to create a class of it. So increment and decrement operator we are going to see today. For that, we'll name the class as inc, dec, and op. So inc, dec, op. Inc for increment, dec for decrement, op for operator. Curly braces open and close. So in Java, actually the class name should be meaningful. So because of that, I gave it name that. So now the program starting point is main method. So we'll write the main method, and signature of it, public static void main in edge. Okay. This should be written. Okay. This completes the structure. So now, to understand increment and decrement operator, we'll declare two variables of int type, int x and y. So I just simply declared it, but didn't initialize with any value. So we just go ahead and initialize. Okay, 10 and 20. Now what we'll do, if we system dot out dot println x and y, we print it, we'll print 10 and 20. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll check with increment and decrement. So first word, we'll go with the increment, and here we have two scenarios, post increment and pre increment. So first scenario is your post increment, and second scenario is your pre increment. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll save this file, but before that we'll understand increment means it should increment the value by 1. Okay, so x should print here 11 and y also should print here 21. So we'll see that first, then we'll understand the difference. So to save it, Control S, and to save it as a Java file, you have to select all files type, and the name should be exactly matching with the class name. So inc, dec, and op dot java. We have to save it as dot java. So if I save it, now it's saved as dot java. See the colors changed. So here is the file. So to run it, you have to go to command prompt up to this path. So directly open the command prompt, we have to, what you have to do, you have to go to this navigation path and just type cmd and enter. It will open for that path. Okay, maximize. Now to run that file, first thing we have to compile, and to compile the command is javac, then file name incdec dot java extension. Okay, so we'll just compile it. So it's compiled successfully. If it's compiled successfully, you can see the dot class file generated of it, and we'll run that dot class file now using java command. So for that, incdec op. Here no need of extension. So we'll just run this file. So if we run it, we can see 11 and 21 is printed. So as per logic, we just printed x and y, and it's printed because of increment more by 1, it's printed 11 and 20. But we are talking about post increment and pre increment. Then what is the difference of it? So to understand the difference, what we'll do, we'll just declare another two variable, and we no need to initialize of that, and we'll assign those value into it. Okay, and instead of printing x and y here, what we'll print an. Let's just save it and go to the command prompt. And whenever you are making any changes, remember you have to again recompile the file. Okay, so to do that, do javac. Okay, javac incdecop.java. Again recompile and run it. So now we can see instead of 11 it's printed 10. Okay, so now we'll understand. So in this point, what is happening, the x value first assigning to a, then it is increment. So post increment is happening. But here first incrementing y, then assigning it to b. So that's why 21. So x value directly assigning to a, so 10 printed. Okay, but x value changed to 11, y value also 21. But while assigning, we are getting it 10. Got it? So same way we'll see for decrement also. We'll just change this one to minus minus, and we'll change this one to minus minus. So what we'll do, first we'll print x and y. Okay, as we change this file, we have to again recompile, compile, then run. So 9 and 19. So 9 and 19. So it's decremented to minus 1. So 10 minus 1, 9, and 20 minus 1, 90. But again, we are not understanding the difference. So we'll print A and print B. So as per the post increment and pre increment, so the decrement also should work as same. So here A should print as 10 and B should print as 90. Okay, we'll see that. As we changed, again you have to recompile. So okay, it came 10 and 90. Okay, clear? Okay, that's it guys for this session. If you didn't subscribe this channel, please consider subscribing, and we'll meet in the next one. And by the time, Stay safe. Take care.